to Omaha. So like, what runway is that?
With the marketing director. Yes. With the marketing director? Yes. I'm just going off what I was told.
Hang on 1 second.
Oh, that's better. That's a good landing. Wow. I have to get the Gemini just of that. I need that.
I mean, it happens to everybody.
Like I said, I don't care. I have no regrets.
I mean, it happens to me. It happens sometimes to me at SMF, but
It never happens to me.
oh,
You gotta pack her up.
Wait,
you
what?
gotta back up.
Yeah, miscommunication and can't be here. I talked to Chris, he won't answer. He went straight to voicemail. But too big of a promotion for him, and so on and so forth. So I apologize to everybody, but
That's alright.
that's why I tried to reach out to everybody in the process to make sure that there was no weak links, but they can't get any communication there. It was phone calls, it wasn't email.
It looks like by 17 right, there might be a good spot.
Yeah, just everybody getting there is the complication.
Yeah.
I think the best bet is just to go back to the hotel.
Yeah, hotel parking lot and just do it from there is kind of like or repurposed to a gathering or the day zero welcome reception. Or just a pizza party, because that's probably what it's going to be.
I think it's just a pizza party at this point.
Well,
it's just a
hey, we can't complain too much. It was backlit anyway, if we really want to look at it that way.
We'll just eat out of my car. For real.
Easy.
Yeah, easy.
And then once we're done, we come back in here.
Yeah. Alright,
So,
chill.
that's the only choice.
Best option.
Oh, there you are.
Hey,
Hey,
so hard for you.
I know.
Chris Slimmer, man.
Oh, we got it.
No email. You didn't email it. You only had phone calls. So check this out.
Yeah, hey, check this out. Yeah, let's check this out.
We need new leadership.
I said I'll take care of this party next year. Oh,